Alrighty, guys. So let's go over how you can make $1,000 a month with TikTok and CPA marketing. So this is going to require a little bit of effort on your end. As you can see right here, we are at 912 for Cash Network, and we are at 300 something for Max Bounty. So this is perfect newbie guys. So if you're new to CPA marketing, this would be perfect for you. So what you want to do is you're going to create a website like this. Now it can be in anything. I just chose logistics or whatnot. And as you can see right here, like everything works. Right, this is like a whole thing. They can upload their resume like the works. You know, when they click submit, like they do have to put in all this information. So let me just I probably should have filled this out beforehand, but it's fine. All right, so now once they go through, they submit the whole application, all this fun stuff here. They'll get a page like looks like this. All right, and then they'll have, I'm editing it right now, changing out these things, so that's why this looks like this. But these are the offers that I have here on this page, and it'll say sponsored content, right? So then if they go through and they click DoorDash, I get 50 something. This is the offer right here. As you see, that's 3 something. And then Survey Junkie is like the 2 grand from this video right here that I was showing you guys too. I'm not logged in on the Quest, but as you can see right here, boom, this is it. This is like how easy this is. Now it's pretty cool too because you can actually take this website here and you can promote it over on Craigslist, and it will be 100% compliant. You will never get um, banned. Your accounts won't continuously get shut down. None of that because it looks, like I said, 100% legit. That's why I said you got to actually put in some work here. So you see around here, we got all our duties, like everything that is required, that is remote position. Again, like I said, they have to put in all of this information here. So like it looks super legit, like everything. And then the whole goal is just for them to go to the sponsored content page. That's it. That's the only thing you're really doing here. And of course, you can collect their name, the email, phone number, and all that, and then you can follow up with them on the back end as well. But this is like the easiest way that you can make money as a beginner doing like TikTok and CPA marketing, because then you can just make the website, they make a video talking about it because a lot of people want to work from home, and then you can promote them to a survey offer or a couple other different type of offers, and or you can even have some completely random type of offer like a loan offer because it just says sponsored content. So now it's no longer just because you have the word sponsored content there, they no longer are associating it with the CDC logistics. So they're not going to go back and report you or any nonsense like that. They're just, well, oh, that's probably just a Google ad or something like that. But real simple. And the best part about this, well, I didn't say the best part, but another good thing about it too, even if they have like an ad blocker or something like that, it's not going to remove your ads because it's just part of your website and not like something like Google or something like that. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. You can jump over to Craigslist, look up a couple whatever job you see that's on there that's compliant if you want to, or you can just look up remote jobs, or you can go to TikTok and over here. And we can just look up remote jobs. And then now we can just sit here and go through and see which one. Hey, that's the boy right there. You know, if you follow him, definitely follow his content. Buddy right here really be doing his thing or whatnot. He just dropped a new course too. Make sure you check that out. That's a clean shirt, my guy. But you want to come over here and like see this one. Oh, that's 2024. We want to look for you want something fairly recent that's doing pretty good. It'd probably be much easier just to do this on your phone because I don't know how to filter on this thing. But basically, you just want to click a video, and then whatever job that they're talking about, you want to just, or whatever one is getting the most traction or whatnot, you basically just want to go through and create your website about that, and then you want to tell them to go and apply over to your website and then just put all your stuff together. So the main thing that you're going to have to do is just put your website together. That's going to be the most important part, because if you don't do that, then you're not going to be able to do any of this. So it has to be a really good website. You need a custom domain. You have to do all, like, everything. Like, this has to look 100% legit. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. It's, like I said, first time ever making this type of video here. So let me know if you guys like this or not. But yeah, just so we can refresh the page here, as you guys see right here. All right. So you see right there. Then, of course, over on the max bounty. Boom. As you can see, everything's still the same. So yeah, this is an easy way that you can make $1,000 or more every single month using Craigslist. Using TikTok. You can't use this on Craigslist, but TikTok is a lot easier and it's 100% free, organic traffic, and you'll see results right away. And there we go. I don't know what the hell happened, but that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.